If you are pregnant, you are so nauseated, the vomiting is so intense to the point nga wala na gaka-take in imuhang body because you keep on throwing up na lang. Naka-ask pa kasi mong self if this still a typical morning sickness or this is a condition na in pregnancy called hyperemesis gravidarum. Hello everyone! During sa first trimester sa ako ang pregnancy, I had this condition called hyperemesis gravidarum. Na-diagnose na siya sa akong OB. I was so nauseated and the vomiting was so intense nga dili na siya typical morning sickness. It started around week 7. Nag-peak siya mga week 8 to 14. The-throw up ko almost every 30 minutes to the point nga wala na ko'y masuka or puro na lang acid. Nothing is going down. Even isa ka kutsara na tubig. Take kung isa ka kutsara na tubig, in less than 30 minutes or 30 minutes, I'll throw up again. I don't know lang if it's common to all. Sa ako ang case, I was so nauseated. Vomiting was so severe. Epigastric pain kay grabe, dili gid matolerate. And ang hunger pangs. I need to eat para walay pain. I cannot eat because every time na ako'y i-take in, I will just throw it up. It was so exhausting, debilitating kay siya, wala kay mabuhat. It can alter your daily activities. Wala kay lain mabuhat but magstay in bed, try to get some rest or sleep. Or you go to the restroom, you go to the comfort room and throw up. It reached a point na gusto ka musuka but then wala na kay masuka. But you have to eat because sakit kayo ang pain sa epigastric. You have to eat or drink something para ma-okay siya. Moment nga na kay i-take in right then and there or taas na kayo ang 30 minutes, I will vomit again.